Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about count and counte. What is the difference? We will look the difference via a problem. Okay, before starting, I'll just tell you the difference. What is the difference between count and counte? So what does count do? Count, when you put, it will only try to read the number of occurrences which are numerical in nature. It will only count those occurrences which are numerical in nature, like 1 2 3 4 5. It will not try to count your at the rate, your special characters or alphabets. I'll show you with an example. Similarly, count a will count all other items present in a list or in a row, except it will not count the blank spaces, right? So let's see. COUNT, count. I'm taking the range. See, it's 9. The value is 9. Why? Because it only counted the numerical values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It ignored the blanks and it ignored the characters, which is like alphabetical characters and special characters. Similarly, count A will read all the items present in this row except the blank. See, it's 11. Let's see how many, what is the length of the rows? Equal to len. Sorry, equal to len. What happened? Len function. It's okay. Okay, fine. It will not work because it is expecting a text as your input. Anyways, it's small, so we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? Count A gave me 11 as output because it ignored these two blanks. It is actually 13. 13 is the number of item present in this list or number of rows available. So in this, it ignored two blanks, which and gave me 11 as a number. So this is all about count and counte. So in my coming lecture, I will discuss about the pivot tables. I will discuss about VLOOKUPs and other small daily used functions. Thank you guys. Please stay tuned.